XRP has evolved to become quite a popular trend within the media space, given its incredible growth. And lately, even after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in 2020, its price has grown too significant to be ignored. Most recently breaking out of its resistance level of over 3 years to hit a new all-time high. At the moment, XRP is showing signs of an increase that could transition it from its current position to the number 2 spot on the list of the entire cryptocurrencies on the planet. A position it had earlier achieved back in 2018, a rally of which saw its trading volume briefly exceeding Ethereum's market cap in September that year. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel and are curious to learn about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up to our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, when you join the channel, you get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the comments. Meanwhile, it's a wild red day over at the crypto market. At this moment, it suffices to say that we are in an alt season. Bitcoin's dominance continues to dip to about 40%. While that of Ethereum continuously soars, reaching 20% recently. If you are new to these markets, this might be strange to you, but for those of us who have been in the crypto space for many years, this would not come as a surprise. We've waited a long time to finally see this happening, seeing the Bitcoin's dominance on the entire crypto market in a complete freefall, which in itself is a direct indicator that we are in an alt season. Many of these altcoins have started to pop off over the last couple of weeks, but XRP has been relatively stable. We're just having a typical consolidation happening right now, at which point it reached the 702 Fibonacci retracement level and then on to another much-needed consolidation before breaking out. We can't say for sure when the price of XRP is going to break out, but it would be fantastic to see it break out sooner rather than later. We've seen that happen with Bitcoin Cash, we've seen that happen with Ethereum Classic. We do see it happen to a lot of cryptos across the crypto market. Now with XRP, I still think that it's going to continue going up much higher. What's going to happen in the short-term time frame? Well, it all ties back to Bitcoin. Some might even ask, why are we talking about all of this when we should be talking about XRP? Tell you what, it all comes back to talking about Bitcoin and the latest bull runs, the previous cryptocurrency cycles, and also the alt seasons. One thing to keep in mind is that if this is the top for Bitcoin, then we're finishing the entire bull run for Bitcoin right now. And based on the last cycle, we had some ABC correction that took place right in there. You can see that we had our A, our B, and then our C, and right at that position, C, is where the lagging altcoins started to explode exponentially. And the same goes for XRP. If we head on over to what's happening right now for the structure of a top coming in, which came in just a little bit short, but keep in mind that this was shortly after Coinbase did its IPO. So we have to remember that there is a chance that that was the top of Bitcoin. We're looking to see an ABC come in here, given we're seeing the many signs happening over here on the far right section of the screen, with a lot of these altcoins starting to take off right as we speak. Also, with Bitcoin's dominance taking a massive blow as we speak, if we zoom in on this closer, we can see that it had not encountered a complete 702 Fibonacci retracement, which is pretty typical. It did kind of get right up to the 618 Fib level. Typically, we would see these things continue to dip a little further down. They can come all the way down without crossing below and maybe even a little bit lower, and then heading their way back up to the $60,000 price tag. Of course, I can't guarantee you that's what will happen, but I'm telling you this based on historical facts and what we've seen happen before. The hype that Bitcoin has attained would make a lot of sense to be a top. And while coming in a little bit short, we still reside within the area marked as D, which could still be considered a top. Bitcoin also made these structures where we had these new lows that were registered. We also see these altcoins at the right starting to explode, as this structure is happening over here with Bitcoin. Whether this is pulling an ABC pattern or not, it follows the same trend as we've seen happen in previous cycles, such that after the fall and then in the ABC structure, we know the alt season is going crazy. We've seen all of these other altcoins go incredibly high. And within that time, back in 2013 and 2017, when XRP went on its massive bull run. Thus, in the coming days and maybe in the coming weeks, we will be watching what happens to see if XRP is reaching out to their target. If Bitcoin continues to make such trends as this, and right up to the moment when we see Bitcoin making such moves to get back to the 702 to 786 Fibonacci levels, then we know that XRP is about to hit incredible highs, registering gains like never seen before. We will see a pretty significant rise that would be like a blow-off top, just as we had witnessed happen back in 2013. Although some experts think that XRP will still go through a correction that will see its price dip to no less than 30 cents or 40. However, I don't see that happening even if Bitcoin undergoes a price correction to the tune of $40,000. Bear in mind that this prediction is based on the short term, as there is no certainty about whether a retracement such as this will happen. But of course, if it does happen, if Bitcoin dips even more, given it recently went down to 49,000, and if it does go downwards beyond 40,000, would XRP and all other altcoins experience a dip? Either way, this should be the perfect time to buy in. In essence, we should be looking at starting to take most of your profits from XRP when its price hits $8 to $9, hopefully before the end of the year. But if you are a bit skeptical about that, you could sell off a fraction of your XRP holding at $4 to $5. Then wait for the correction to happen, then respond accordingly by buying the dip. Else you'll have to wait until it gets to the $8 to $9 mark, then sell the other portion, and then wait for a correction afterwards. Notably, we expect price corrections in XRP when its price hits the $4 to $5 mark and the $8 to $9 mark. And if that doesn't happen, you should expect it between the $6 to $9 position. So in the previous cycles, XRP reached up at the top, at that moment when Bitcoin was going through a retracement, after it had already topped. So if we're looking to the price of XRP to skyrocket to somewhere around, let's say, $1,000 right from our current position, that would be about a 5,400% gain. And I don't think that is unrealistic, given we've seen that happen several times throughout the rest of the market. I'd like to add that personally, I don't plan on selling my XRP, because even if the Bitcoin bull run is up, we're still hoping to see some massive gains within the altcoin space, just as Ethereum and other cryptos such as Dogecoin and XRP continue to gain more dominance in the near term. I have to admit that everybody has got their stopwatch, right? But what if it goes way higher than what we had predicted or what we were expecting? Maybe within the range of $1,000 to $10,000 in the near term. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your opinion regarding this in the comments below. In the meantime, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some more exclusive benefits, and you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos, and we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.